In this video, I'll be sharing my easy Paraguayan chipa recipe. It's so simple anyone can make it at home. Made even better with one secret ingredient that takes it to the next level. Make sure to stick around because I'll be sharing some tips to help you get it perfect every time. Let's get started with the ingredients and steps. 500 grams yuca starch, also known as tapioca starch. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 tablespoon of anise seeds. 1.5 teaspoon of kosher salt. 2 tablespoons dry milk powder. 120 grams softened butter. 50 milliliters of buttermilk or whole milk. 3 large eggs. 350 grams queso fresco, or any semi-soft or semi-hard cheese. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 260 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, mix the dry ingredients: yuca starch, milk powder, salt, anise seeds, and baking powder. And here's the secret I mentioned earlier. Adding a bit of dry milk powder makes the dough more tender and gives the chipa a lighter, fluffier texture. But don't worry if you don't have it. Just make sure to beat the eggs well and your chipa will still turn out delicious. Make a well in the center. Then add the butter and eggs. With clean hands, start creaming the eggs and butter until a thick paste forms. Don't mix in the dry ingredients just yet. Once it's well creamed, start adding the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and mix until a coarse crumb forms. Add the cheese and mix well until it's evenly distributed. Now add the milk gradually, just enough to form a soft, manageable dough. Then knead the dough until it's smooth and homogeneous. It should be soft and pliable, like Play-Doh, and shouldn't stick to your hands. Here's a tip: you might not need to add much milk, or any at all. It depends on the size of the eggs you're using and the moisture content of your cheese. If the dough is already soft and hold together, skip the milk. If it's dry, add a little at a time until it's smooth and manageable. Cover it with cling film and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Divide the dough into portions of about 100 grams. Roll each piece into an 8-inch, about 20 centimeter rope. And pinch the ends together to form a classic ring shape. Place the chipas on a parchment-lined baking tray, leaving enough space between them to rise and bake evenly. Here's another tip. If the dough breaks while you're rolling it, don't worry. Just press the pieces back together with your hands and reshape it. This dough is very forgiving. Bake until they're slightly golden and puffed, about 12 to 15 minutes. Look how beautiful they turned out. I'm going to open one so you can see the inside. I hope you give it a try and love it as much as my family and I do. I'll leave the ingredients here so you can pause and copy them. You can also find them listed in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Ciao!